Hello, good morning, girls. Today is Tuesday, March 17, 2020. Our topic for today is just a continuation of lesson 1, body interaction. But we are in page 16 now, and then I will discuss to you which systems control body functions. Have you ever asked, who is bossing inside my body? Who is the boss inside your body? Most of the company, or maybe inside your house, there is a boss. Maybe your mom is the boss, your dad is the boss, or if you are the eldest, you are the boss. Or maybe your baby inside your house is the boss. But inside your body, who is the real boss? Who is the one controlling inside the body? Here, it says here in the key words, the nervous system and then the endocrine system works together to control the body function. So they are primarily the two bosses inside your body. They are the one controlling. So they are the boss. It says here in nervous system, your eyes, your ears, your skin, your nose, your taste buds sends information about your environment to your nervous system. Didn't you know that the nervous system is just like a wired system? It is because of the nerves. Because when you try to look at nerves, they are connected to each other. So they are like wired. They are like, have you ever see your chargers connecting to the outlet of the electricity and then another charger connected to this gadget? So they are like wired together. And then here it says, your senses let you react to a bright light, hot object, and freshly baked cookies. Why? Because a signal in the environment that makes you react is called a stimulus. By the way, there are two types of stimulus. I will show it later. And by that thing, we respond accordingly. Let's try to look at this one. Types of stimulus. There is an internal stimulus that is happening inside our body, like hunger, pains, emotions, and when your bladder is full. When you want to pee, that is an internal stimulus. Look at this horse. The stimulus here is hunger. So when you are starving, that is an example of stimulus. And then your response is to eat. Another is external stimulus. External stimulus is happening outside your body. Like example, flashing of lights. When you are scared, when you feel sad. Another example is when you feel hot. Remember when you sweat? That is outside your body. Because you feel heated. That is a stimulus. Now your response is you need to go quickly to cool off by using electric fan or by switching your AC. Two types of stimulus, internal, which is happening inside your body, and external. And then you respond accordingly, according to what will happen to your body. Look at this one. Number one, use a number to sequence the picture here. So here, number 1, the lady is reading a book, and then suddenly she saw a spider. Okay? So this is a stimulus, and then her response, she gets scared. And remember that being scared is an example of, here, it says here that being scared is an example of external because you get scared according to the things happening outside your body. So that is an external stimulus. In number 2, use the term stimulus and respond to explain what is happening in this picture. The spider is the stimulus that scared the girl. Her response was to jump up. You could try to make your own. Let's proceed to the next one. Among the other drugs that affect the nervous system, caffeine is one of the most commonly used worldwide. Caffeine is found in coffee, tea, soda. Soda are like Pepsi, 7 Up, or soft drinks, other beverages, and even in chocolate. Let's explain. How does caffeine reach the brain after someone drink a cup of coffee or tea? In your answer, be sure to identify the systems involved. It is absorbed through the digestive system, into the blood, and carried to the brain by circulatory system. Remember, when you drink coffee, you can focus. You feel so alive. You feel so active. In this part, it says when the coffee is absorbed in your digestive system, the caffeine, which is one of the content of coffee, chocolate, and tea, is absorbed by your digestive system. And then remember, it is absorbed by digestive system, and then the circulatory system is responsible for delivering in. And then it was delivered by the blood. And then it is carried away in the brain. So that is what is happening when we drink coffee, the same time when we are drinking soda, tea, and chocolate. Let's do number 2. Infer, or let's make conclusion. Caffeine is addictive, which means that the body can become physically dependent on the drug. Which body system do you think would be the most involved in addiction? Explain your answer. The nervous system. Why? It is the one controlling the function of the entire body. Just remember, nervous system is one of the boss inside our body. It controls everything. Okay, so example, if you really want to drink coffee and then you're addicted to it, your brain is the one responsible for that addiction. That's why changing your mindset is very important, and it's hard to change mindset. Okay? Now, another boss that controls our body is the endocrine system. Here it says the chemical signals released by the endocrine system is called hormone. The hormones are transported through your body by the circulatory system. Now, endocrine system are hand on hand working with the circulatory system because the hormone is delivered by the circulatory system, specifically in the bloodstream. These chemicals affect many bodies' process. For example, one body hormone interacts with the excretory system. Another is our growth. That endocrine system is also responsible for our growth. At the same time, with our reproduction, endocrine system is also responsible for that. To explain further, I want you to watch a short video about how do endocrine system works and function inside our body. Let's try to look at.
It Health presents How the Body Works with Chloe and the Nerve.
Hey, Nerve! I got here as soon as I could. Where are we going today? And why am I dressed like an old-timey hobo?
Isn't it obvious? We're going to learn about the endocrine system.
Yeah, that still makes no sense.
The glands of the endocrine system deliver chemicals called hormones to various parts of your body. They regulate the processes of your body and make sure all the hormones get where they need to go on schedule. And what else runs on schedule and delivers important goods?
Trains! Nerb, are we going to ride the endocrine rail? Oh, I've always wanted to.
Even better, Chloe.
Uh-oh.
We're riding the rails, all right, but not in a train. No, ma'am. We're taking this rusty old handcar.
Joy.
Each gland of the endocrine system produces chemicals called hormones, and each hormone has a different job. The glands are spread out through the body. A lot of them are controlled by a little gland near the base of your brain, called the pituitary.
Thyroid, increase production. Attention ovaries, let's get the estrogen rolling. I've got my own work to do here too. Growth hormone coming up.
This guy's in charge of the entire endocrine system. This guy's tiny.
Who you calling tiny, skinny arms? I may be small, but I'm what makes you big.
It's true, Chloe. The pituitary gland produces growth hormone, which is what makes you grow big and tall. And as you can tell, he's used to giving orders.
I should be. I'm pretty important. Even though the pancreas makes insulin and the nervous system handles adrenaline, I'm still vital endocrine-wise. Now scram. I'm busy.
I hope our next gland is friendlier. Are all those trains hormones?
They sure are. They're my thyroid hormones.
That makes you the thyroid.
Right again. My hormones do a number of jobs, but one of the most important ones is regulating how fast your body uses the calories from the food you eat.
That's called metabolism.
Fancy word!
Next up, the adrenal glands.
Ooh, this should be exciting. Hold on. I thought the adrenal glands were in charge of handling danger and excitement and fun stuff like that. These guys aren't doing anything at all. Hey! Hey, you lazy glands! Wake up!
What? We're napping here.
Don't you think you should be doing your job?
This is our job. Listen, sister, the hormone we make is called adrenaline, and it's very powerful stuff. Only to be used in case of emergency. Is there an emergency?
No.
In that case... Ah, quick, behind you! Huge angry bear! And that, my friend, is the power of adrenaline. Whee-haw!
Those rascally glands!
But look how far we came. We thought we were in danger, so our powerful adrenaline kicked in and took us almost all the way to the next gland in 2 seconds flat.
What is that big lump over there?
This big lump is the pancreas. I'm the biggest gland of the endocrine system.
You certainly are. So what do you do, Lump?
Pancreas. I produce insulin. It's a chemical that helps you use energy from the food you eat.
One last question, Blump.
Pancreas? And yes,
Can I jump on you?
go ahead. Welcome to the final glands of the endocrine system. The reproductive glands. One of the most important things they do is make sure your body goes through the changes of puberty, so you can grow from a child to an adult.
I'm the ovaries. I oversee puberty in girls and excrete a hormone called estrogen.
And I'm the testes. I do the same for boys. My hormone is called testosterone.
Think of us like sports team coaches. I coach the girls' team, he coaches the boys' team.
Go, boy!
Girls rule!
Okay, so that is how a simple explanation how endocrine system works inside our body. I will continue this in part 2 of the video. Thank you for listening.